Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll find the screen recording toggle, which for me it's right over here. Now once you locate a toggle, you can tap on it to immediately start recording, or hopefully you can hold it. Nope, never mind, we don't have settings for it. So tapping is the only thing we can do. Once you tap on it, it immediately starts recording, as you can see, and automatically turns on microphone. So if that is something that you don't want to have enabled, just tap right here to make it be crossed out like it is for me right now. And from here, whatever you will do will be recorded, minus some maybe applications that will block this, so keep that in mind. Anyway, once you're done, you can click right here. This will stop it and save it automatically to your gallery application. Now going back to that thing that I said with the certain applications not being recorded, some apps, for instance like Netflix, will block screen recording. So if you try to record it, then all you will get is just a black screen. It does record sound, I guess. Netflix has no way of blocking that, but in terms of visual, they do have some kind of way of just preventing you from being able to record that. Kind of like some applications, when you try to capture a screenshot, just tells you that it's blocked, so F off. So anyway, now let's go to the gallery application, just so I can show you the recording. So it's going to be visible in just the main photos page right here, or right at the top as the newest one, but you can also locate it in the albums tab under screenshots, I believe. Yep, as you can see right over here. Play it, allow. So you can see that's the screen recording right here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.